All right, some big news on Capitol Hill that could affect your health. We're talking about Senate confirmation hearings for Dr. Marty Makary, a renowned Johns Hopkins surgeon. He's President Trump's nominee to lead the Food and Drug Administration. Now, this is an agency that 7 News senior investigative reporter Lisa Fletcher has extensively covered. And Lisa, much of what Makary discussed on that 2-hour hearing today, how much of it intersects with your investigations?
Oh, a lot of it, Scott. Everything from toxic vapes flooding the market from China to infant formula, but most notably, issues about our food system being laden with toxic chemicals in alarming quantities in places like school lunches. And as you know, we did a groundbreaking investigation last fall where we tested school lunches, and we found things like dozens of pesticides on just 1 cup of strawberries, and lunches containing all sorts of chemicals, heavy metals, even veterinary drugs. Today, Dr. Makary told senators that one of his priorities is attacking the causes of obesity and disease, especially in kids, starting with what they eat.
I think we have to look at the totality of every single thing in school lunch programs, in the diet of our nation's children. When we're using tax dollars to make purchases of foods that we know make our nation's children sick, we have to re-examine how we're spending those tax dollars. So one thing I would like to work on is a school lunch program for some school districts on a pilot basis to transition to healthier foods. A lot of school districts want to, but they don't know how, and they may not have the funds.
And Scott, this could be game-changing for the health of America's kids if Makary can get this done.
Yeah, absolutely. It appears that that would be the case. A lot of people finally heading in the right direction. We know you'll stay on top of it. Yeah. Lisa, he also, quick question for you. I'm so sorry.
Sure.
He's going to be facing a lot of, I would guess, pushback from the industry, right?
Yeah.
So what is that going to look like for support?
I mean, as we know, this is a really entrenched system, and these are issues that we've been reporting on for years, but now it is reaching noise level big time. And it's because there's a huge section of moms who are on both sides of the aisle, who are a part of this Make America Healthy Again movement. And they're demanding transparency from the food system. They're demanding that what their kids eat is clean and healthy and nutritious. And it doesn't matter how many of these moms I talk to, Democrat, Republican, or Independent, they're behind Makary on this issue. So if we've learned one thing through all of our reporting, Scott, it's when moms sink their teeth into something, buckle up.
Yeah, a force to be reckoned with,
Yeah.
Absolutely. And it seems they're doing this on that case as well. Lisa, thank you. And by the way, you can see all of Lisa's reporting on school lunches and food contamination issues by just going to our website, WJLA.com. Click on the iTeam tab.